What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to take you guys with me. We're here out on the water. It's gonna be a good day. Tide's coming in. I believe the tide's high in about an hour and it's gonna come down. I did start a little bit late. I am fishing with a friend of mine, Gerald. He's all the way back there trying to test out his different types of lures that he tries out every time he goes out fishing. Here is very muddy waters. I do expect it right after all the rain. Honestly, it's a dark colored jig type of day. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Well, actually it is already a good day because out in the water, but just trying to do the best we can, try different techniques to catch some bass and explore this area a little bit more. The last time I was here I did lose a pedal drive. I hit a random stump and all of a sudden it cracked my pedal drive, so I'm gonna crack this part right here. But got a new one, and we'll see how today goes. Glad to take you guys with me. Hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help out a lot, and hopefully, and also I'm just gonna enjoy the day of fishing today. Little confidence bait. This is probably a jig. Put this down. That's a smart idea. Muddy waters. Barely any visibility, to be honest. Gotta hug the corners just to get away from the... Mm-hmm. Wacky. No! My favorite. Yes! Whew. No! No! How's it going? Any luck?
Yeah, a couple on the jig, a couple on the drop shot, bigger on the jig.
Nice. Good luck.
Yep, you too, have fun.
Finally clear water. Drop shot. Oh, forward. Clear waters. Should be a recipe for some good bites. Should be most likely up under these woods. Don't want to get my only spinnerbait snag, so, well, not really my only, my favorite one, I guess. Rookie mistakes right now. Maybe a jig? Got one. Yeah. This. What the heck is this? A trout. Oh no. Sorry, buddy. Foul hook too. Well, at least it's not a skunk, right? Hi. Poor trout. Dang it. Got one. Got one, baby. Huh. Yes. Little tiny one. Is this a smallmouth? Be a smallmouth. Tiny one, little fat one. Go. Finally.
Lost a bunch of stuff today.
What'd you lose?
Like lures, getting snagged.
I lost a bunch of drop shots, but that's cheap though. Nothing major.
Huh?
I haven't lost anything major. Just drop shots
Just
stuff.
lures. You heading out?
No. I was looking for you. I was getting bored. Yeah, I know, man. It's tough. Drop shot, they said. Well, I caught one. I don't know by you.
No, I only caught one.
No skunk. I lost like 6 drop shots. Got one. Yep. I don't have a net.
You want me to net it or you good?
No, I'm good. Whew.
What did you said the bite's not gonna get better?
I know. Woo! Yeah. You know what? I think we'll stay.
Wait, show me again. Oh, they're catching them.
Finally. Jesus, with a wacky worm.
It took me what? What time did you get
10. Freaking keeper. Man, this fish is cold. He's got red eyes.
Oh, he does?
Yeah. Been out too late. Ooh. As I said, it was not, the bite's not gonna get hot. Tide's going out. Not two. Maybe.
What's that?
Like since the tide's coming out, all the fish that's coming going this way.
Okay. Yeah, I can feel it.
Got one. Okay, so yeah, we're staying.
Yeah, the bite's getting hot, man. Right after you said it.
See, I think it's the tide's going out, so they're going out.
Yeah,
That makes sense, right?
makes sense.
Oh,
What do you mean about these fences there?
and it smells.
I mean, not like you would drink.
Got one. Oh! Oh, I saw him smack the freaking tree. Got one.
Weighing them on like flat one?
No, oh! Wacky. Just wacky worm, weightless. Pitching it, not really casting. It might be decent. Nice.
See that big. He just on a paddle tail. On the I switched to the chicken.
Hold it up.
My crutch bait.
Nice.
My crutch bait. Comes through for me. Woohoo! I wish it was a bass though.
No, technically that is a bass, so.
I mean, yeah, technically it's the real bass.
Technically the green ones are sunfish.
Yeah, because technically, like, what we call bass.
There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, keeper. Wacky worm. That is it for today's fishing ventures. It was a very long day, tough bite, but we stuck through it. Gerald and I stayed for, I don't know, maybe 7.5 hours. And at the last 2.5 hours or so, we kind of got into some bites, even if it's just the little small tiny ones. But overall, as long as it wasn't skunk, I think it was a good day. Bought a bunch of rods with me. However, just the only two that worked was a drop shot and a wacky worm, and that was pretty much it. Fish were very finicky. They weren't really biting or non-existent, but found a pattern later on. Tide was coming out, so I fished the little coves or the little laydowns of trees. Pretty much that one what worked out for me. Overall, it was a great day, great fishing day. Can I redo it? Probably not. It was very tough. But at the end of the day, it was, as long as getting out in the water is fine by me. But I'm glad to see you guys with me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It'll help out my channel a lot. And stay tuned for the next fishing video, guys.